Okay, this is a example to show you how to work with the data structures programming assignments without using Repl.it. The issue is I've had some students click on this work in Repl.it link from their repository and they don't come here. The screen that they come to is something like this, and even though they sign in with GitHub, we never actually get to Repl.it, and it asks you for a to pay to use Repl.it, and you should not have to pay to use Repl.it. Okay, so what I thought I'd do is show you how to use Git from the command line. And the first thing you've got to do is make sure you have Git installed. You probably have it already if you've got a Mac. If you don't have a Mac and you have Windows, there's you can download it from git-scm.com/downloads, and there's Mac, Windows, and Linux or Unix executables available. So make sure you have Git installed first. Then what you can do is you can come to your repository, you can click the code button, and one way is to get the URL, and I'm just going to remove my local copy first, and then what you can say is Git Clone, and then give it the URL to the repository, and that'll go off and get all the files, get all the files that you need, right? And then you can make a change. I put that edit in earlier. I'm going to take it out, right? And now what you can do is you can have a look at the status with Git, and what it'll tell you is that the README file is modified, but that it's not staged for commit yet. So we haven't got around to pushing to adding it to the local copy of the Git database. In order to stage it, so before we commit it, we can go git add and then readme. And if you do another git status, you should see that the color of the modified has gone from red to green, and now it's ready to be staged. And then you can say git commit, and then I usually add -n for a message, removed unneeded comment, right? And then I can see my status again, and you'll see that my branch is ahead of origin/master. I have a complete copy of the Git database on my local machine, and what this is telling me is that the copy on my local machine has one more change, one more commit than what's in GitHub itself. So what I need to do, and it tells me what I need to do to make that change get propagated back to GitHub, is I need to do a Git push. And what we should see once that push goes through is, if I refresh the screen, you'll see there's the update 1 minute ago. And if I go to the Actions tab now, you can see there's my comment, remove unneeded comment, and it's about to run. It's running the tests now, and hopefully the tests will pass again like the previous 2 times. Let's wait for it. And there's the green light. Okay, so the green light means I've passed all the tests that needed to pass, and yeah, I've used Git on my local machine to do the assignment rather than you having Repl.it copy the Git repository into the Repl.it IDE online. That's about all I wanted to show. I'll probably do some more Git related videos, particularly to show you how to use the SSH version of Clone. I use the HTTPS. It should have asked me for my maybe my username and password, but because I've got the SSH keys set up appropriately, it knows who I am already. So, but I haven't shown you how to do that. I might do that in another video.